We are looking at how to pronounce this Scandinavian given name. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting names from Sweden and Norway and Denmark as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say it? Mistakenly, a lot of people say Ove in English, but it is not how it is to be said. It's actually very easy. Uva. U-va. Uva. Pretty straightforward. Once you know, uva. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.